Welcome to yet another multi-bagger stock review video from Ravisa Templetree. In this video, we will talk about the company that brings us our morning omelets and those delicious and yummy barbecues along with chicken biryanis to most of us. We are talking about Venky's India Limited. Venky's started its journey as Venkateshwara Hatcheries in 1976 to produce day-old layers and chicken for the North Indian market. This company was founded by Padma Shri Dr. B.V. Rao, who is fondly called as the father of Indian poultry. He was inspired by his wife Uttara Devi Rao to start this business. Coming from an agricultural background and the next generation which is now running the business, not professional managers, in an industry, poultry industry, where there are a lot of challenges like a bird flu, which is pretty common in our country. Once it strikes, the business will almost come to a standstill. In this challenging condition, to have brought up this company to such great heights, hats off to the management. Applause to Mrs. Anuradha Desai, Balaji and Venkat for this fantastic management. Venky's got listed in the Indian stock markets in 1989 and today the company is valued at 5,000 crores in the market. Venky's, after commencing business, went on with continuous new ventures in the poultry industry along with animal health products, which brought tremendous value add to its business. Company's main business is selling eggs, which they are exporting to almost all the global destinations in the world, and chickens, which along with retail have been sold on contract basis to almost all the big names in the fast food restaurant chains in India and all the 5-star hotel chains of our country. In May 1985, company started their SPF egg production unit, which started with 3 lakh eggs at that time as capacity, is today producing 54 lakh eggs. These eggs are used in the human vaccine production for rabies and flu, etc. And research has been going on for use in the COVID vaccines. Venky's is the only company in our country to have this facility to produce SPF chicken embryos, and it is the 4th largest company in the world producing SPF eggs. Recently, the Venky's investors have approved the company's decision to become a protein company from a poultry company after the company announced record production of maize and soya, which is going to bring big fortunes to the company in the coming years. If Venky's stock has to keep going up at the fast pace that it is going up now, its US consumers should be happy to consume their morning omelets at sky high prices. After I read this, I went to check what is the egg price increase in our country. Here is the chart of egg price increase in the last 12 years. We can see that it has tripled in the last 12 years. Yet, have we stopped consuming eggs? No, right? This is the advantage of these businesses. They can easily transfer the increase in prices to their customers, and their customers will happily consume the product at whatever price that is being sold. So, along with this, the other advantages Venky's has is the convenient snacking trend that is going on in our country, which is transforming the predominantly vegetarian population, which has come through due to religion and other needs, to a non-vegetarian consumption population in our country. This is also another advantage for Venky's as people keep consuming more and more non-vegetarian products. Also, along with this, the company has its own quick service restaurant in the name of Venky's Express, which is going to cater to all this convenience snacking crowd in our country, along with the other big brands like McDowell's, Burger King, KFC, kind of. Like all good things don't continue to be good always. There will be some challenges that every good things will face over a period. Same like this, all the fame that Venky's had, it also had its own infamy. Company went on to buy a football club named Blackburns Football Club in UK in November 2010. At that time, this club was the top 5 performing clubs in the Premier Leagues. After Venky's took over this club, they consistently underperformed, lost matches, and managers were regularly changed. It went on to such a great extent that the players of the club came out and went into procession in the country asking Venky's to give up the club ownership. So this was unwanted for the company, while that was a time where most of our corporates were going on to invest into sports clubs. Like we had one more example, Deccan Chronicle having the Deccan Chargers cricket club, which is no more there in our country, it's history. Like Royal Challengers, which was owned by Vijay Mallya, which is not owned by him now. So this was not required. These people could have concentrated on their business and grow their wealth, while there are some fancy thoughts that come into CEO's mind, and obviously they embark onto these kind of journeys and fail, which gives them a good lesson. Probably Venky's would have learned also some great lessons from these ventures. Venky's went into big challenges during March 2019. It even had EBITDA negative in March 2020 after wafer thin margins for the previous 2 quarters. After this, it had a beautiful bounce back. December 20 result came with thumping turnaround. Sales goes up to 940 crores, margins goes to double digit, and profits were at 106 crores. This took the stock to top ranking. When big numbers are churned by the companies, rankings go up with big profit. Earnings rank for the stock went above 80 mark, and it caught the stock market attention. Stock started going up, while it did not continue on its upside run, because after a 96 crore loss in March 20, within 3 quarters, if the company is giving 106 crores of profit, market wanted some more confirmation. They wanted to see if the profit run keeps continuing. Then by March 2021, Venky's results came out with nearly 79 crores of profit. So 106 in December, 79 in March. That gave a lot of conviction to its investors, and stock had a beautiful breakout on second week of May. After that, Venky's did not look back. So far, in the last 2 months, stock has given more than 100% returns to its investors. With the kind of strength the stock is building up on its patterns, looks like stock has a lot more space to cover on the upside. Venky's is a small market cap company in that retail investors have big exposure. Their shareholding is very high at around 40%. One happy note here is that retail investors have made tons of money by their investment in this company. And this is not the first time that Venky's is giving a beautiful opportunity to make profit. In 2016-17, this stock was a rank qualifier. At that time, it gave 150% returns. Now, it is giving a second opportunity for its investors to have massive profits from its growth. Mutual funds have very less exposure in this stock, barring a few small exposure in the index funds. Otherwise, their exposure is pretty less. This is one of the reasons also why investors come to a conclusion that mutual funds don't give great returns while they can do it on their own. Mutual funds don't participate in these kind of stocks is because of liquidity issues, while they play it in a different league, giving consistency and regular returns to their investors. Whereas for those who invest into small cap stocks where runs are very big, obviously small stocks will have big profit potentials, while one has to buy it at the right time and get out at the right time. If not, it is pretty difficult to play this game. We will generally end up big losers. So unless we know when to get in and when to get out. It's pretty risky to buy small and mid cap stocks. We had talked about Venky's previous rally. Here in this chart, we can see that in 2017, after it qualified in ranking, it gave a beautiful bullish run for more than 1 year. After that, our finance minister announced long-term capital gains on stock market earnings, which took the whole market down for 2 years. Markets went into slumber for the next 2 years. Along with that, even business dropped. We had also seen negative results, company reporting losses in the March 20 quarter. After its December 20 results, it had a turnaround. There is a small breakout that comes in February because December result came in February. After the result, there is a breakout in the stock. While it did not go up, it is holding a sideways range. And after March 21 result, which comes in the month of May, there is a beautiful breakout in price and stock takes a huge surge, giving nearly 100% returns or more than 100% as we are talking now to its investors from the breakout level, and looks like this journey is likely to continue for a longer period. So the next question that will hit our mind is, can I buy this stock now? Hot stocks are really very hot. It can burn us if we catch them at the wrong levels. Top ranking stocks are good to buy when they qualify on the ranks. After that, they make a big upsurge going far away from their buy levels. To have your own stock rank report, which can help you identify stocks just at the level where they are getting ready to have a big surge, you can subscribe to our stock rank report by joining our discussion group. To join the discussion group, send a WhatsApp request to the contact given in the description or at the end of the video. So coming to where we can buy Venky's now. Good price to buy Venky's is when the stock goes below 2,750, while it might not come in a hurry. So for those who feel that you have missed the bus of getting into a great stock, it's good to buy a small quantity at current levels and then add up as the stock goes up. This is, say suppose you want to buy 100 shares, buy 20 shares at this 3,400 levels and wait for the price to go up 170 rupees from 3,400. Then add more quantity, that whatever you want to buy. This will help reduce our losses in case the stock is to go against us and give us a lot of confidence as we buy at higher levels so that we have bought a right stock. So all the ranking stocks generally keep going up at a stronger pace as long as companies keep generating more profits. As you keep consuming yummy chicken and like you, all other people in the world keep consuming their chicken and their morning omelets, your investment in Venky's will keep giving you loads and loads of profits. Happy investing.